So today we'll be talking about euthanasia, and I give this opportunity first to Ankit to share his opinion about euthanasia, which is also called mercy killing. So Ankit, it's all yours.
Thank you, ma'am. So actually, this topic is debatable and it's quite sensitive topic as well. And there are two perspectives. I would like to touch both because I am not in favor, neither I am against it. So first, I'll share my thoughts why I favor it. Because they are person who are bedridden, cannot take care of himself or herself. Either they have met some accident and went into a coma, such cases, or somebody is too old to not take care of themselves. I think in that situation, if family agrees and if medical consultants allow them, so then I think mercy killing is good for that patient and good for the people as well. Because instead of burning too much cash on somebody whom we know that he is not going to recover, I think that money can be used to for survival of their dependent. So that's more logical and sensible decision to make. But there is also an argument against it because as a human, we have a tendency to misuse everything. And there might be cases where some people, maybe in the family member, do not want that person to be survived, maybe because in order to grab the property or get the insurance money or inherit all the properties. So as a human being, I mean, we tend to, misuse those laws. So we have to really weigh both options, what is best fit, and we should create a framework where there has to be a process, there has to be a guideline where people can, file a mercy killing petition or something, and one governance body should make a decision what is right and what is wrong. And if at all the mercy killing or euthanasia is allowed, that should be done with the proper, supervision of the government agencies, so nobody can, misuse it. And if at all mercy killing is going to happen, that should be in a peaceful manner. It shouldn't be in a manner where people feel the pain and all. So those are my thoughts because I can't decide whether it's good or bad. But
Ankit, sorry, in abroad, they have to file a petition. Yes. And it takes, sometimes this procedure takes around 6 months. They have to take consent of all the family members, the person and the doctor, whether this person really needs euthanasia or not. That's also there. And after that only, when it is agreed, then they go for mercy killing. And that also all the relatives near kith and kin, they come there and then they see that whatever is the method they do, and then they go away. So that type, if it is done in a legal way, proper way, then I think a person terminally ill and bedridden,
yes,
then it should be allowed. But up to now in India, it is not allowed. Active, one is not. Passive, of course, the government has given orders.
Right. So I think every law or every legislation require people to get educated about that law. In what circumstances they can execute their right and in what circumstances they cannot. So I think that education is also very important so people don't misuse it. Because in the era when we are talking about that the death sentence should be banned or not, and we are talking about another kind of, killing, whether it's mercy or otherwise. So this is kind of conflicting thought, but looking at the, humanitarian ground, I think if some people are bedridden and cannot take care of themselves, I think it's a sensible idea to allow the mercy killing.
Okay, this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well spoken. Body language was also there. And I didn't find any grammatical error. And the points were to the point. You spoke to the point. That is in crisp English. Okay. So thank you, Ankit.